Hello everybody. So now I'm about to plant these plants. These are the ones that I had just got in. So they were looking kind of damaged when I got them in. They look like they were dying, but they're not dying because the roots are still good on them. And this right here, the banana plant, the roots are kind of damaged on that. Not the roots, but the plant itself looks kind of down because it hasn't been in no dirt yet. But we still got like little roots, nice pretty roots coming off of it. So now I'm going to put these plants in. I got the banana, the dwarf pomegranate, and the kiwi plant. I gotta mix one more thing of dirt. Fertilizer. Super fertilizer. Kiwi go here. So this right here is my dwarf pomegranate. I have two of them that was together. That's a plus. Now I have two of these plants together that I'm going to plant. But I'm separating them. So now I have two separate trees. So I'm actually going to put the label on the smaller tree because we know what's in this pot. And I know it's a pomegranate. And I'm going to put this label on this tree right here so we won't forget. And I end up writing the label name on that one so I don't forget it in the future. You just don't want to put the labels too tight for it to choke the tree out. Shake it down and that tree is completed. Shake it down. Maybe I add a little more dirt. I don't want to press it down. I just want to shake it down just a little bit so it'll be nice and level. 3 trees completed. Now I'm going to get the banana plant. So I put my banana plant. Because it's got all of these roots. It just is a temporary thing in here for now. Get it started up real good inside this pot. Well, we may end up letting it grow in the pot. We'll see how the future has in store for us with this one. He's gonna need a little more soil. So I got a banana plant in. The roots should not be too far down in the dirt. So the root starts right here, and that's where my dirt stops at, right at the base of the root. Well, you can see where I got the root coming out. Still, that's a little bit of, oh yeah, that's the root right there. Just barely cover the root up so the plant don't die out. Now I'm going to put mulch on my plant. Now the mulch retains the moisture down into the plant so they don't dry out all fast. There you go. Put the mulch on this one. Mulch on this one. And we'll put some mulch on this one. That's a little bit of mulch out of this bag. Now the plants are mulched down. Now I can put some water on these plants now. Now I put water on them and let nature take its course. put water on until I start seeing something leaking out the bottom. Once it starts leaking out the bottom, I know my dirt is saturated. We're going to bring these plants back around. They wanted to die on me, but I'm not going to let them die. I'm going to make these plants live. They got fruit to bear. I don't want to eat some of them. I'm going to have to go get me some swamp water to put on these things later on. Get some of that nutrients from the swamp, from all that fish poo and all that stuff. Oh, that really helps the plants grow. Give me some buckets of swamp water, or lake water. That lake water really helps the plants out, and I'm going to get some too. Thanks for joining me this evening. I done worked till dark, but now I would like for y'all to like and subscribe on my channel, and I'll see you guys later.